Hello there guys! For today's video, I'm going to show you how to colorize black and white photos using AI tool in Photoshop. And also, we will dive deeper into duplicating of layers, converting layers to smart object, and using Colorize under neural filters. So let's get started! So here in our document, I prepared here an image of a black and white. And our goal here is to colorize this. So the first step we're going to do here is we're going to duplicate our layer. So to do that, going on to the layers panel, click on the background layer to make it active, then press Ctrl plus J for the duplicate layer. Now let's name this layer as the colorized. There you are. Alright, now the next step we're going to do here is we're going to convert this colorized layer into a smart object. Well, to do that, all you have to do is to right click on that layer, then choose on Convert to Smart Object. Now it's already smart object. And by the way, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Well, moving back, now the next step we're gonna do here is we're going to apply the Colorize filter. Well, where to find that? So going on to the menu bar, go to Filter, then choose on Neural Filters. Click that. So under the Neural Filters panel, you're gonna see here the Colorize. Okay, all you have to do is to click this one and switch this on. Okay, so all you have to do is to click it. All right, it's already on. Okay, so once I did that, you will notice here that our subject instantly colorized. You will also notice that it creates a perfect color on his skin tone, right? And maybe also on the jacket, but not on the hood part. So now we're going to fix this one. Okay, so go here at this image. Right, it says here focal points. Yes, it also says here you can manually color the image. So to use this one, let's create a point first on the hood. Okay, so all I have to do is to click it. All right, and then this color picker window will appear. All right, so this will be for the hood. So I guess this one is a bit gray. So I'm going to choose a color gray on this part. Then hit OK. All right, so once I apply that, now you can notice here that the reddish color is already gone. It turns to gray. Amazing, isn't it? Okay, and also let's also fix on the other part of the hood. So let's just create a point on this area. Click. There are. All right. So because the first color is gray that we just chose, so the color is already there. All right. Also on this part. There you are. All right. Also here. Okay. Well, for the strength, you can also adjust this one. If you want to give more saturation to it, you can increase the color. It also affect the wideness of the range. Then also this part. So let's create something here. Let's just decrease the strength to it. All right, there we go. Well, let's also give a color on the iris of this man. So I want to give a color of a dark brown color. Going onto the focal points. So just click on this eye. There you are. Then go to the color. Click this one for the color picker. Let's choose here a darker brown. Alright, this one's darker. Then hit OK. Alright, now you will notice here that it creates a darker color to the eyes. See? Okay, for the strength, I'm going to decrease this one because it creates a wide range of the color. So let's decrease this one. Something like this. Alright. Also to the other eye, let's go and just click, create a point. There are. Okay, well that seems good. Alright. Now also in this part, I want to remove this brownish color here. So let's create a point there and then let's choose the color maybe to black. Then hit OK. Alright, in this part, I want to give a color blue. So let's create another point there. Go to color picker. Let's go and get a grayish blue color. Hit OK. Alright, that's better. Okay, also in this area. Alright, that's perfect. Let's just add the strength. Okay, that seems better. And another thing here, if you want to add more saturation to your image, just go down here. Alright, for the saturation, you can adjust the slider. So let's say I want to give more saturation to around just 10. And also you can adjust the color. You can also adjust the color if you want to add some reds or cyan or magenta or green. So let's add some red here, just +5. Okay, for the magenta, let's decrease this one to -5. That's fine. Okay, that seems still red. So let's go to yellow and blue. Let's increase this one to 5. All right, now that seems better. Well, you can adjust this to the amount that you want. If your image has much noise to it, well, you can adjust the noise reduction. But here in our image, there's no much noise to it, so I'll just leave the noise reduction to 0. After giving a color to it, now don't forget to hit OK. And there we are. Now let me show you the before and after. So this one is the before, and this one is the after. And that is how to colorize black and white photos using AI tool in Photoshop.